Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can get signed in into the Shakepay account of yours. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to keep updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go to the new tab and search in for a www.shakepay.com and press enter. Here at the official web page of Shakepay, you can see sign in button on very top right side of your screen. Just beside of get started, you need to click on sign in. Here you will see login form page where first of all you need to provide your registered email address. Then go in for providing your password of your Shakepay account. Here, after providing both the details, you need to simply click on sign in where you will get directly logged in into your Shakepay account. Just in case if you forgot your password of the Shakepay, you need to click on the link given, that is reset password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to retrieve your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the Shakepay account of yours. Thank you.